Hi everyone, welcome. This is StardustLV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and it is a new purse, a new release purse, and I am so happy that I was able to find it at the store. And this is what it looks like, guys. It is so big, and let's open it together. And inside is this item, and I think this was released 2 weeks ago. I remembered when the email was sent out to me, I looked at it and it's still available. However, I don't know what it looks like, that I wasn't really able to pull the trigger. I'm starting seeing it in Instagram and YouTube. I was able to appreciate it more, and this is what it looks like, guys. It is the Loop Hobo, and this is such a big bag that I didn't even know that it will look good on me. And inside has this beautiful brown, it's like a saddle brown color, adjustable strap. And let's put it in here. And there's also another strap, guys, and this is a beautiful chain strap, and it has Louis Vuitton etched here, and it is so thick, and you can put it here in front. And it's been a while since I had a Hobo bag. I remember when I was younger, I had a denim Gap Hobo bag, and I've worn it for years, and I really appreciate the shape of the Hobo bag. And I don't know why through these years I wasn't able to have at least one Hobo bag. And it is nice that this one is in reverse monogram, and there's also like another lining of brown here at the bottom, and then the very beautiful monogram logo. And what I like about this is at the back, it's not inverted. Like if you can see my Speedy at the back, it's inverted as it is one canvas altogether. However, this one, two separate canvas here and here, and it is nice that there's no right and wrong of the bag. And I also appreciate this two zipper pull, and the zipper is smooth. And not only that, Louis Vuitton also included this pouch, which is beautiful on its own. And this pouch is another like SLG if you're gonna buy it separately. I think you can also like buy this separately if they will sell it on its own. And I really love that they included it in this bag. So looks like this one is inverted at the back, and this one is at the right position. And inside also has a lining, and it says here Louis Vuitton, made in France. So this purse is made in France, which is nice. And comparing it to my mini pochette, it's way bigger than my mini pochette. However, it is just thin. It's like the Never Full pouch that comes with it. I think it's similar to this one. Inside the bag is just one huge space. There's no small pocket inside. It's just one huge space, and it is lined as well. And the lining is pretty thick. And it's a nice color of dark brown, and it comes with this barcode. And let's measure the small pouch, like 7 1/4 inches, and it is 5 inches in length. And if you're gonna ask me what the bag measures, so the bag measures here at its widest, it's 15 by 6 inches, and the width here at the widest part, it's 4. So this is such a big bag, guys. When I tried it on at the store, it was love right away that I went home with it. My SA is in there, and I asked her if she has a loop Hobo bag because I want to try it, and she told me that there's one in the store, and she grabbed it. And when I saw it and tried it on, it was just love. As you can see, I am 5'4" and like 125 pounds, and this big bag really looks flattering on me, in my opinion, that I went home with it. It has a nice drop to it, like if you're gonna see. And then if you wear it crossbody, it is best if it is worn here at the side, as in front it will not be flattering and it will look like not Hobo. It will just spread out like that, which I don't really like. Stay tuned for the mud shot, guys. I will include the mud shot at the end of this video. But if you put it at the side, it looks like this, and I really appreciate the look here at the side, and I really love this reverse monogram here on this side. If you're gonna put it where the strap hangs, it will look like this, and it is an easy grab and go bag. If you are the one who dress casually like me, I'm always wearing denim and shirts. I think with plain dresses, this will look nice. If plain color dresses, this will flatters your outfit, and it is just a beautiful, practical, and functional bag. By the way, guys, let me measure also the chain strap that goes with it, so you'll have an idea how long it is. 16 inches at its longest, 18 inches long. And because the bag has a tall look to it, you don't really have to use a long strap. I tried my other Louis Vuitton straps in here, and it doesn't really look nice if it's too long. Even if I will try the strap of my Speedy 20, it will hang below, like way below here on my thighs, and I really don't like the look of it. It is flattering if it will just be here at the side of your hips, like so. It is more flattering if you put it in here, but if you're gonna put it way longer, it doesn't flatter anymore. I also like the look if you're gonna put it on your shoulder, as it is also nice to see this silhouette here at the side. And then I also noticed that there's a loop in here, belt loop in here, and I think they included it so that you can secure this strap if you are not using it. Supposing you will just use a chain and you will secure the strap, all you have to do is just clip it in here, and then you have to secure the strap here like so, and you will attach the rest of the strap, secure it tightly, and it will look like this, guys. So the strap is not going anywhere, it's just secured, so it will look like this. Is when you will wear it, the strap is just securely hidden here under the bottom. I don't mind it if I will just like have it hanging. I also like the look of it if it will just hang like so. I really like it if it's hanging, and I put mine on the 4th hole here. I am not sure, guys, if I will buy an organizer for this bag, as I like the slouchy look to it. I'll see. Maybe I'll have to wear this more so I will be able to know if I need an organizer or not. The reason why I got this purse is we will go on a trip to Europe on December, and I am looking for a bag that has a zipper and like big enough for me to tuck in the scarf inside the bag, and that's the reason why I got this purse. So I am just happy that I have something to bring that make my stuff secure inside because of this zipper, and it's just a nice looking bag. A lot of people also don't like the look of this bag, but for me, I really like the design of the bag. Louis Vuitton really did good in this bag without really raising the price tag on this. Retail for 2,700 $780 US, and I paid $223.79 for the sales tax, and the total is $3,003.79. So that is the price that I paid for this. But for $3,000 on this bag, you have a chain, and you also have this pouch. This is also designed well, that they also put this additional leather here to secure this part of the bag, and they also put additional leather here under the bag. And I really appreciate this reversed monogram. As I've said, I have a reversed monogram strap, and when I bought this bag, I have this in my mind, but it is just too long. Unless maybe if you're really tall, then you can rock this reverse strap, because this is already in the shortest setting, but it is still very long on me. Like, it just hits way below, like down below my hips here, and I do not see it as flattering. So if you have a lot of Louis Vuitton straps and thinking you're gonna use it in this bag, unless you are very tall, then it will really look flattering. But if you are 5'4" like me and below, I don't think it will flatter your silhouette. But you know, to each its own. Some people might find it flattering even if it's too long. This is the look of the bag, guys. And if you will ask me what fits in this bag, currently I'm using my bum bag. This is my bum bag, and inside my Louis Vuitton sunglasses here, and it is quite big. And I also have my recto verso wallet and this super goop sunscreen, and I also have my clip and this Purell hand sanitizer, my lipstick. There's nothing in here, so let's all put it inside the purse. So it is just one big space. Let's try to put the recto verso in here, so you're gonna see if it will fit. So it fits, guys. The recto verso wallet, and this one will not fit. So maybe a recto verso wallet and a lipstick, and that's it. So we're gonna put it in here, and then I'm gonna put my sunglasses, this clip, and inside it looks like this. So it still has a lot of space. So let's try to see if additional SLGs were gonna fit in this bag. So I have this 2 pouch from my Felice, and then this Chanel O case. I have this Vivienne wallet, and also this YSL and Hermes Bastia. And let's all put it in here. And also I'm gonna put this mini pochette. And as you can see, guys, everything fits in this bag, and I can just like rock it like this, and it doesn't really look that bulky. It's just like it's packed, but it doesn't really look as bulky as we will think, considering a lot of SLGs is in this bag. Hobo bag really looks crumpled like this, so if you don't like that look, Hobo bag is not for you. But if you appreciate the look of the Hobo bag, then this is the bag for you. It is just so casual and edgy with this chain, and some people will say that it looks like fortune cookie. I also read that they are thinking it looks like a bagpipe, but seriously, guys, this is a functional and well-designed pretty purse that if you really love the look of the Hobo bag, then you will really appreciate this look. And it just flatters your body if you're gonna wear it like that. It is just so carefree and fun to wear without really like fussing over it, as it is just follow the shape of your body like so. And I really appreciate that they add this chain, as it really looks flattering if you're gonna put it on your shoulder as well like this. So I'm really happy with this purchase. Guys, let me know what you think of this. I know this is not for everyone, as Some people doesn't like the look of this bag. It's not structured, but it's nice that it can hold the shape and it has a wide width to it. So if you are contemplating in getting this and you appreciate the look of the bag, I will say go for it. This is such a popular bag, and my SA is saying there could be another price increase at the end of this year. And I noticed with Louis Vuitton, if the bag is very popular, they will increase it drastically. Like for example, this multi-pochette, I got this when it first came out and it's just close to 1,600 when I got it. Now it's 2,500. So it's just crazy how Louis Vuitton will drastically increase the price. The bag or item is very, very popular. Like what happened to this accessories? I bought this years ago for 550 and now it's 1,200, which is crazy. So I hope it will not happen with this loop bag, as it is not available in the website. So unless you know a good SA that could secure it for you, then you can get this beautiful loop bag. And I don't want you to miss out on this, guys, as this is a beautiful, classic, functional Louis Vuitton purse. So that's it, guys. May all of you have a wonderful day. Please leave in the comments down below what your opinion in this bag. And take care, everyone. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!